Hi, this is Chris Oliver. We're here at a lakeside tree removal project that are overhanging the houses both to the left and over to the right. Now, there's a huge risk of, if these are not pulled down correctly, that they could fall on the house, on the dock that we're on, retaining walls. One of the other considerations that we have is these high voltage lines above us. So traditional equipment like cranes and other rigging equipment that you might see on a job like this just are not possible. Now, we'd already started taking out some of these trees over here on the side of the house, because in order for us to get to these large trees, we need to have that access point. This is one of the more difficult and dangerous aspects of this job. Now, as you notice, this tree right behind us overhangs the house and is leaning towards the structure as well. So what we need to focus on is taking that weight off the trees and bringing them safely towards the lake.